Dear students, welcome back. Today in this video I'll be explaining you the 7th chapter of Honeycomb, the invention of Vita Wonk. Mr. Willy Wonka, the owner of the chocolate factory, has decided to invent Wonka White. This will make people younger, but it is too strong. After taking this, there is a rapid decrease in age. Some people have disappeared because their age has reached in minus. One person's age has become minus 87, so he needs to wait for 87 years to be visible to others. Mr. Wonka must invent a new thing to reverse these changes. Inside the chocolate factory, Mr. Wonka is searching for a new recipe which will make people older. He asked Charlie about the oldest thing in the world. Charlie's reply was a tree. Mr. Wonka added that it is the bristlecone pine tree growing in the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. Is the tree that lives longer than anything else. Mr. Wonka then went into the great green elevator to travel across the world to collect items from some of the oldest living things. He collected a pint of sap from a 4,000 years bristlecone pine tree, toenail clippings from a 168 years old Russian farmer, an egg laid by a 200 years old tortoise, the tail of 51 years old horse, and so on. In his inventing room, after working with all these elements for hours, he prepared a cupful of oily black liquid. He gave 4 drops of it to 20 years old Oompa Loompa volunteers. Charlie asked what happened after that. Mr. Wonka informed him that the creature, after a bit of shivering and wrinkling, became a 75-year-old, and he confirmed the invention of Vita Wonk to Charlie. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood. I'll be coming with more videos very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.